Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Dover Heights is a residential neighborhood in the northern part of Cornwall, known for its quiet suburban streets, schools, parks, and family homes. The area developed mainly during the second half of the 20th century as Cornwall expanded beyond its older downtown and waterfront districts. Today, Dover Heights is considered one of the city's established suburban neighborhoods, offering a mix of detached homes, apartment buildings, and nearby commercial services. Its location gives residents easy access to both local amenities and major transportation routes. The neighborhood grew during a period when Cornwall experienced steady suburban development after the Second World War. Like many Canadian cities during the 1950s and 60s, Cornwall expanded outward as families looked for larger homes, quieter streets, and more green space away from older industrial areas. New subdivisions such as Dover Heights reflected this shift towards suburban living. Many of the homes built during this era remain part of the neighborhood today, giving the area a mature and established appearance. Dover Heights is closely connected to schools, parks, and recreational facilities that serve the surrounding community. Tree-lined streets and local green spaces contribute to the neighborhood's quieter atmosphere compared with the busier commercial areas closer to Brookdale Avenue and downtown Cornwall. Residents are only a short distance from shopping centers, restaurants, healthcare services, and community facilities, making the area convenient for families, retirees, and workers alike. One of the advantages of the neighborhood is its location near Cornwall's main transportation corridors. Brookdale Avenue and Tollgate Road provide direct connections to downtown Cornwall, nearby commercial districts, and Highway 401. This highway links Cornwall with larger cities such as Toronto, Ottawa, and Montreal. Because of its strategic location between these major urban centers, Cornwall has long served as an important transportation and regional service hub in eastern Ontario. Although Dover Heights is primarily residential, residents remain close to Cornwall's waterfront along the St. Lawrence River. The combination of suburban living and easy access to nature has helped neighborhoods like Dover Heights remain popular with long-term residents. Cornwall has a population of roughly 47,000 people and is one of the oldest communities in Canada. The city sits along the St. Lawrence River in eastern Ontario, close to both the Quebec border and the northern part of New York State. Indigenous peoples lived in the region for thousands of years before European settlement. French settlers later established farming communities in the area during the 1700s, making Cornwall one of the earliest European settlement areas in Ontario. The city was officially founded in 1784 by United Empire Loyalists who arrived after the American Revolution. These Loyalists were settlers who remained loyal to Britain and relocated north into what later became Canada. Cornwall's position along the St. Lawrence River made it an important transportation and trade center during the 19th century. Ships traveling between Montreal and the Great Lakes often passed through the area, helping support local industry and commerce. As transportation improved during the 1800s, Cornwall became connected by railways and canals that helped move goods across the region. The Cornwall Canal, completed in the 19th century, allowed ships to bypass dangerous rapids along the St. Lawrence River. This improvement strengthened Cornwall's role as an important shipping and industrial center. Warehouses, mills, and factories grew along the waterfront and rail corridors, transforming the city into one of eastern Ontario's leading industrial communities. During the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Cornwall became especially known for textile manufacturing. Large factories such as the Canadian cotton mills employed thousands of workers and attracted immigrants from many parts of Europe and beyond. Entire neighborhoods developed around these industries, and the city gained a strong working-class identity. Manufacturing remained the backbone of Cornwall's economy for generations, with paper production, textiles, and other industries supporting much of the local population. The St. Lawrence River has always shaped life in Cornwall. The waterfront provided transportation, trade, fishing, and later hydroelectric power. During the 1950s, one of the largest infrastructure projects in Canadian history changed the region forever. The construction of the St. Lawrence Seaway and Moses Saunders Power Dam allowed larger ships to travel farther inland between the Atlantic Ocean and the Great Lakes. Entire nearby villages known as the Lost Villages were flooded during the project, and thousands of residents were relocated as roads, railways, and shorelines were rebuilt. The creation of the Seaway also changed Cornwall's economy and landscape. Hydroelectric power generation became an important part of the region, while modern shipping routes improved trade across eastern North America. At the same time, changes in manufacturing and global industry during the late 20th century led to the closure of many of Cornwall's historic factories. Like many industrial cities in Canada, Cornwall gradually shifted toward healthcare, retail, transportation, education, and service industries as major employers. Today, Cornwall remains an important regional centre for Eastern Ontario. The city serves nearby rural communities and acts as a transportation hub because of its location along Highway 401 and the international border crossing into Massena. The Seaway International Bridge connects Cornwall with Cornwall Island and the United States, making the region one of the key border crossings between Ontario and New York State. Cornwall is also known for its parks and waterfront recreation. Lamoureux Park stretches along the St. Lawrence River near downtown and hosts concerts, festivals, and community events throughout the year. The city's waterfront trail system attracts walkers and cyclists, while nearby marinas and boat launches connect residents with the river. During the warmer months, the waterfront becomes one of the busiest and most scenic parts of the city. Despite changes in industry and population over the decades, Cornwall has maintained the character of a smaller river city shaped by transportation, manufacturing, and its long connection to the St. Lawrence River.